Welcome to our video about farm animals. Today, we're going to learn about the different types of animals that live on a farm and how they are taken care of. Let's get started. First, we have cows. Cows are big animals that give us milk. They need to be fed hay and grass, and they need to be milked every day. Then we have chickens. Chickens are birds that give us eggs. They need to be fed chicken feed and they need to be kept in clean coops. Next, we have pigs. Pigs are big animals that give us pork. They need to be fed corn and other grains, and they need to be kept in clean pens. And finally, we have sheep. Sheep are animals that give us wool. They need to be fed grass and hay, and they need to be kept in clean fields. That's it for our video about farm animals. We hope you learned something new. Remember, it's important to take care of all animals, whether they're on a farm or in the wild. Thank you for watching.